Just about every work holding device out there is designed to hold your work down. But what about when you need to hold your work up? Get your work at a comfortable height and secure with our newest one-time tool, the Viceless Work Support. Whether you have a tricked-out workbench like this, or an assembly table you've built yourself, the Viceless Work Support installs in under a minute. Adjusts right where you want it, and holds your work upright at a comfortable working height while you work with hand or power tools. It's perfect for cutting dovetails or tenons, and for supporting thin boards for dominoes and biscuit joiners. The only thing handier than a Viceless Work Support is two of them. Add a section of track between two Viceless Work Supports, and now you can support longer stock at a comfortable working height using just about anything for the base, even a simple sawhorse. The track connector locks them together perfectly square and perfectly flat.
Welcome to today's Rockler demo, and boy have I got something fun to show you today. It's a brand new tool. You may have seen or even used a portable drill guide like this before. Sometimes they're called drill angle guides or just angle guides. It's basically a mini drill press that's powered by a portable drill. Most feature a couple guide rails, an angle adjustment of some sort, a depth stop, and maybe a V support to hold round stock. They can work okay, but some models aren't very sturdy or even precise. Until this guy came along. It's Rockler's new portable drill guide. I mean, seriously, look at this thing. Nothing against past models, but this thing is a tank. Everything feels tighter and more stable. It's got all the features you'd expect on a drill guide, and then a whole lot more. Let's walk through it. We'll start at the top. Your drill attaches to this 1/4-inch hex shank that fits any handheld drill and also works with quick change chucks. Instead of a typical 3/8-inch chuck, it's got this big 1/2-inch chuck that glides on ball bearings. Seriously, spinning this is like playing with one of those little fidget spinners. The chuck travels on these two substantial steel shafts, and the capacity is about 8 7/8 inches. That's measuring from the tip of the chuck to the bottom of the base. Honestly, it travels so much more securely and smoothly than other drill guides that I've used. This knurled brass knob is used to set the depth stop to control your drilling depth, which is great for repeat applications. So let's move down to the base. There's a large handle and knob here for holding the drill guide securely. They're also what you loosen to change the drilling angle from 0 to 60 degrees, which is wider than the typical range of 0 to 45 degrees. These angle lines are easy to read and clearly show the drilling angle. And of course, the base also features these V-shaped supports that are used for securing round stock and drilling in the center of dowels. It also features these tabs and mounting holes on the base that can be used to attach the guide to a larger base or to a shop-made jig. And finally, we reach the bottom of the base where there are these threaded holes, and those accept these pins that are stored on the top of the guide. When you install the pins on the base, you can straddle and center the bit over the edge of the workpiece.
You've used clamps a million times for work holding, and their limitations are clear. Clamp jaws severely limit reach. You need the edge of a bench to clamp the work to. They take time to position, adjust, and tighten, and they can get in the way of your work. Introducing our latest tool, the 2096 Work Holding Kit. Designed for efficient and effortless work holding with your Festool MFT table. This kit comes with 24 dogs machined from solid aluminum, each with a 20mm stem. Included are heads of varying sizes for use with common stock thicknesses. And our adjustable height trick dogs feature a threaded stem giving support to stock with variable thicknesses. Get a power grip on your work with the ingenious phenolic blade system. You can hold round objects firmly. You can hold work flat or on edge. Fix parts during machining operations. Hold work while sawing dados, chopping mortises, or carving. You can do all this and more at a convenient location on your MFT table or bench. The 2096 Work Holding Kit from Woodpeckers.
It's DeWalt's new compact circular saw, redesigned to be one of the lightest circular saws in its class and job site tough. At only 8.8 pounds, the new compact circular saw is light, designed for control on the job site and to help reduce user fatigue. It's also compact, completely redesigned with ergonomic handles and a built-in dust blower. Looking for performance? This saw has it. With a 15-amp motor, it provides plenty of power in a compact size and very smooth cutting performance, even through dense materials. The bevel mechanism allows for 57-degree bevel capacity, and with a 2 9/16 inch depth of cut capacity, it will cut a 2x material at 57 degrees in one pass. The anti-snag lower guard geometry allows for smooth operation at a wide variety of angles, making it easy to use in advanced cutting applications.